Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mint NFT on Opensea for free with no gas fees. So as you can see, I'm on the Opensea homepage. The first step I took was to log into my account using my MetaMask wallet. As you can see, my MetaMask wallet logged in. As you can see, this is a fresh profile. I don't have anything on here, created 0. Now, what you want to do, the conventional way of minting your NFT on OpenSea would be to click create on the main page, which will then prompt you to create new item, image, upload an image, a name, and all these other things, yada, yada, yada. Now, this would not only be less successful and more costly than the way I'm going to show you right now. Trick is to open up a collection by hovering over your profile and then go to My Collections. Now, the next step would be to create a collection, and this collection will be NFTs around a single topic. So let's say you like, I don't know, stick figures. So what you're going to do is create a collection that has a catchy name containing stick figures, and then you make a bunch of NFTs that are stick figures and around the keyword that you put in your collection name. You can then go ahead, upload a logo image. This image will also be used for navigation. Then a featured image. This image will be used for featuring your collection on the homepage. A banner image for the collection. A name. Let's say no gas fees NFT collection. Now you can see this is still available as a name, and this will also create a custom URL on OpenSea. So you can change it over here to whatever you want it to be. Let's say no gas fees NFT collection. Let's see if this URL is still available. It is. Now you have to be quick, and it's good that you're early in the NFT space, because this way you can log in and grab yourself some of these highly sought after URLs. Now the next thing would be to give a description. Markdown syntax is important, so you can enter keyword heavy description over here. So let's say Stickman drawings funny. Now these are my keywords, and I would then have to write out sentences using these. You can then add it to a category. So if it's an art piece or art collection, trading card game, collectibles, sports, NFT, or a utility NFT, you can label it. Now you can link your website, Discord server, TikTok. You can't use your TikTok here, okay? But your Instagram, your Twitter, your Medium, and your Telegram group. Now what you can do next is very important to keep your collection alive if you want to do this for the long run. This is where you can generate passive income, minting your NFT for free on OpenSea. You can get gas fees, not gas fees, percentage fee from every sale. The maximum is 10% of every sale will go to you. So 20 is not an option. So you can take 10% of each transaction that someone uses to buy your NFT on OpenSea. Now you then would go to your MetaMask wallet, copy your account, and there you go, your payout wallet address. So this is the wallet that they will send the percentage fee to. Now this is the important part over here. Now what you want to do is change the blockchain from Ethereum to Polygon. As you can see, a fast, gas-free blockchain experience that works with Ethereum. It's a layer 2 Ethereum network that's on top of the Ethereum network itself, and thus is capable of doing gas-free transactions. There you go. Payment tokens is what we want. You can change it to DAI and USDC on Polygon, but we'll keep it as Ethereum on Polygon. You can then have the display theme like this. And now you would have to add a logo image so that you can actually create the collection itself. Now once you've done that, you come on over to create in the top right, And now you create an NFT or several the exact same way as you'd usually do, but now you can add them to your collection, which would normally be here. What you want to do is open up a image, a video, audio, or 3D model. For me, I have 2 NFTs or one that I made. So I'll open this up. This is what I just drew. Name it no fee, no gas fee NFT 1. You can then enter an external link so that people can take a look at your homepage and read more about what your NFT collection is about. Give it a description. Let's copy this, paste it in here. Then enter it to your collection over here. And now you can give it properties, textural traits that show up as rectangles. You can do this manually over here by adding more and then click save, or you load in a metadata sheet. Now, then you can give levels, stats, and then this unlockable content one is good as well. Now, let's include unlockable content that can only be revealed by the owner of the item. So let's enable this, and then you can enter content, access key, code redeem. So you can link access to your video game to an NFT that someone can buy, and then that's like a secret invite to your video game, which is crazy. And then if you have explicit content, enable this. Then you can change the supply. So one of each, the number of copies that can be mined, no gas cost to you, quantities above, coming soon. Then we change this to Polygon again and change to 10. So 10 of these NFTs are mintable. So that's it. Now, there we go. Click create. Now please wait. Now, as you can see, what you just created no gas fee NFT number 1. You can then share it on your social media, but this is not on the Opensea website itself. What you need to do for others to see is sell it in the top right here. So if you sell, you can now say you have 10 available, you have minted 10, and the quantity you want to sell could be all of them, or only half of them, or only one of them. Then you enter the amount. You can do 1 Ethereum, you can do 10 Ethereum, depending on the demand, or you can do as little as, even less, 4 cents, as you can see. Now the duration will be 6 months. You can change this to whatever you want, 1 day, 3 days, 1 week. More options. And then reserve for a specific buyer, you can do that as well. This could be done to, if you sold it, let's say through social media, and then you can enter their wallet address over here, and then only they can buy it. As you can see, the fees, the service fee still is here. Listing is free. Once sold, the following fees will be deducted. So this is free. And you can then click complete listing. Oh no, must be greater than 2 USD. So let's do 4 USD, and you can now hit complete listing. That's essentially how you mint NFT on OpenSea for free, no gas fees. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.